masarap.
So yo, komenta.
Good morning.
On our next vlog, in which we are going to cook Arroz Caldo. You know something about Arroz Caldo?
No, I don't even know what it is.
It's a rice soup with ginger or something. But I'll show you how to cook it and she will try it. Tara! So we have this ginger, my god, it's €1.76. Ganito kalaki. Onion, garlic, we have rice, and chicken. We'll get our chicken later.
That you remind.
I have a chicken where she's putting it in the oven. I'll take some and make it like mix with this Arroz Caldo ingredients. Parang grilled siya, but I think it will be the same because ginger is the main thing here for Arroz Caldo.
That you are doing.
Garlic. So if you want to eat Filipino food, especially here in Finland, you have to cook by yourself. Especially when you are in the countryside, there's less Filipino restaurant here. So
Yeah. Maybe in Helsinki, but I don't
yeah, in Helsinki, I think there's some. Yeah,
no place
few,
for it.
but in the countryside now. So
Yeah, no.
craving is real. So if you are craving, just go to the store and buy ingredients and cook it for yourself. Make sure that you know how to cook. This is the main ingredient for Arroz Caldo.
It's okay.
Ginger is a good source of like
Yeah, I think it's good for the soup.
also for your throat. We use this when
Also make this juice.
ginger. Ginger ale, you mean?
You don't get sick if you drink this ginger. For you.
Kilos.
So, 4 ka na muna. 4.
Yeah, 4 eggs. Pepper. We'll put the ginger. Then we put rice. Mix it. Water. It would be tasty. I'll put the chicken broth cubes. Side, we're boiling also eggs. I put the chicken. So let's just wait for more minutes for the rice to be softened. So you can just depend on how much water you need. Like this one, I think I need to pour more water because the rice basically absorb it. You can put some soy sauce, just a little bit of soy sauce. Food's ready. Arroz Caldo.
Arroz Caldo.
There you go, my love.
You. Ginger. I think when it's so cold, then you eat it because it's somehow.
Good.
Yeah, and when the ginger somehow.
Through your throat, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Mm.
Masarap?
Yeah, masarap.
Bye.